Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to another video. If you would like to know how I made this baked codfish, stay tuned and let's get started. Now, the fish of my choice I am using is codfish. However, you can use whatever you have available. It will work the same. I am just baking this fish and I'm going to make it with some mashed potatoes and spinach. Now, I am starting off by seasoning my fish with some salt, some pepper. I also added some paprika, some cumin powder, and some Italian herb seasoning. And once I add all the seasonings on the fish, I am just going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil onto the fish, and then I am just going to rub it in to make sure it is absolutely evenly coated before I place it in the oven. Now, I placed this in the oven on 350 and I cooked it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now, it may, yours may get done a little bit quicker or less. It just all depends on the quantity of fish you are cooking and the size as well. But I'm going to go ahead and place this in my pan, and as I stated, I cooked this for about 25 to 30 minutes, and it's going to make its own juices as it cooked down. And I topped it with some dried parsley before I placed it in the oven. And this is a really easy meal that you can cook for your family. And remember, you don't want to put the fish on in the oven that long because you do not want to dry it out. So here it is all done and I am ready to dig in. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and have a blessed day.